If I had to build a SaaS product that makes $1,000 a month, here's exactly what I would do it. You don't need to raise money, you don't need a team, you don't even need to be a startup founder. You just need a simple tool that solves one real problem, and the steps I am about to show you are the exact playbook that I have used over and over again. Hi, I am Shayan, and since 2021 I am building SaaS products for myself and for my clients. I am going to walk you through the exact blueprint I would use today to build a SaaS that makes $1,000 a month, fast, lean and focused. Why $1,000? 1K a month might not sound life-changing, but here's why it matters. It's low risk. You don't need to go all in. It's quick validation. You will know in weeks that it is working or not. And it's a massive mindset shift. It proves that you can actually make a software that people pay for. You don't need to build a unicorn, you just need to build one. Step 1. Pick a clear niche and problem. This is where most of the founders get stuck. They build what they want, not what people want. Here's my two-step process. Pick a reachable niche, coaches, freelancers, content creators, etc. Find the painful, repetitive and boring tasks. For example, I created Deploy Today, which was the deployment issue that I faced during my deployment of different projects. I deployed Laravel projects, Next.js projects, but I was deploying all the projects to the VPS, and VPS needs setup like Nginx, NPM, etc. So I created a tool that helps me to deploy the product. How do you find these pain points? Reddit threads, Facebook groups, Twitter, LinkedIn. Search for what annoys people, not for app ideas. Step 2. Validate your idea. There are multiple ways to validate your idea. Here are some of them that you can use. First one is that you can create a wait list. By creating a wait list, you create a prototype that shows how your product or idea will be working. You create a wait list and ask for the emails or phone numbers on the wait list. Second, you can do the outreach to the potential customers. Example, I send this DM, hey, I am building a small tool for your niche, curious what's the most annoying part in your workflow right now. You are not selling, you are learning. You are looking for the response like, if it existed, I will pay for it, or can I try it after it's ready? Step 3. Build the MVP fast. Now build but go fast. How you can go fast? You can go fast by using a boilerplate or creating one boilerplate for yourself. You can buy the boilerplate or create the boilerplate yourself. Mine have these features: authentication, Stripe, API endpoints, and Drizzle ORM. You don't need animations, you don't need dashboards. You just need a login, a way to pay, and a working core feature. For example, one of my clients got the MVP running in just 3 weeks. It was rough but solved the problem. He got users within days. Step 4. Getting first users. Now launch it quietly. Or you can launch on Product Hunt or Reddit, etc. But launching it quietly and DMing the people who you already interviewed about the tool, and just send the message that I have built the tool that we were talking about, would you like to test it out? You don't need a public launch, you just need a one real user to use and give the feedback. Because feedback from one real user is worth more than 1,000 likes on X or Twitter. Step 5. Charge and grow. Start charging early. You can charge $20 a month and increase that gradually, and then grow slowly. Get the feedback from the real users, improve the product, market it more, and grow your product to $1,000. This is how you grow without funding. Here is the recap of what's the blueprint. So to recap, pick a painful niche, validate your idea, start building fast by using a boilerplate, get one user, charge early, and grows. And if you want someone to build your MVP, head over to techcanyons.com and book a call today.